Hello my dear student, we are welcome to Anupam Public School and channel. Today we are decide class 8th lesson 2 microorganism. Firstly we have focus what is the meaning of microorganism. A microorganism of a large number of teeny organisms are present in a soil, water, oil and all molecules of present in our earth. There are a small not see invaded eye. We have not seen without a microscope. These teeny microorganisms are microbes. The study of microorganism is called microbiology. And whose person he will study a microorganism, he have called a microbiologist. The occurrence of microorganism, their small teeny microorganism, all kind of environment, they are present. Particles of small teeny microorganism, they have find in dead woods, clothes, utensils, urinogenital organs, our eyes, intestinal tract, gastrointestinal tracts and other. A microorganism are types of mostly 5. First one is a bacteria. A bacteria unicellular without chlorophyll, a small tiny substance. Second one is a virus. A unicellular, few we find in a multicellular stage, a unicellular minute particles. Third one is a alga, a multicellular, some are unicellular, mostly are found in microorganism. All are not fulfilled in a chlorophyll stage because a chlorophyll help to plants to making of food in present of sunlight. Third one is a fungi. There are a unicellular, some are multicellular, are found in without chlorophyll. Fourth one is a fungi. A fungi is a unicellular, some are multicellular. Next is protozoa. A protozoic and protozoic microorganism are unicellular without chlorophyll. Some are few cases are found in multicellular stage. Their shapes are mostly the bacteria cell may be rod shaped, spherical and spiral are common shaped. Most of microorganism are substitutes of bacteria. Their shaped are bacterial cell may be rod shaped, spherical, spiral or comma shaped. Firstly, spherical shaped are micrococcus. Second one is a spiral shaped microfungi is micrococcus. And last, comma shaped is Vibrio. My dear student, we have taken some example to discuss a microorganism, a substance of like a bacteria. Example, a making of curd, a digestion of our food and fertility of soil. Some bacteria name are Micrococcus cerevisiae that are a nitrogenous soil will consolidate to small particles are changed to a microorganism. These segment a soil is fertile to Nitrococcus bacteria. They have constitute the soil to making a bacterial effect. Soil will be changed in a fresh and harvest like soil particles. Their soil fertility will be increased in help of Micrococcus. Second one example is a making of curd. The fragmentation of milk milk particles, milk sugar particles, lactose will change in a medium of curd. A helping of fragmentation of milk, a resulting particle will be found in a set of curd. Thickness, their curd is a thick milk, and every person will be like a curd. Second verse is digestion of food in a stomach, also repairing a digestive food, a consolidate final form of carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals, and etc. A digestion of food is also help a microorganism. Last, we have discussed some harmful microorganism like spoiling of vegetables, most harmful bacteria disease causing bacteria are called pathogens. Many more human will be causing bacteria are called pathogens. A second one, microorganism are viruses. A virus is also a small tiny organism are present in soil, water, and oil also. The viruses can crystallize and stored from many years. These virus is also consolidate a nutritive value. Some are poisonous, but virus are one word in chase a virus like means clear a poison. A virus is means like clear a poison because a viruses is a many attacking in nature wise a microorganism. A viruses can be crystallized and stored from many years. So their nutrition are viruses inside the host body, and they are harmful. Some are harmful viruses, and most of the harmful viruses, like the viruses caused a number of disease like polylethes and measles, AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and common cold. Next is our fungi. Some fungi are a positive attitude, some are negative, because a fungi is a large number of tiny organisms are present in the soil, water, and oil also. The human disease caused by a microorganism, by bacteria, by mode of transmission, and causing a measurement. But a fungi, there are a singular fungus. Singular fungus, that means a one form will be affect in a particular part. Their habitat, fungi grow best in dark, moisty place, and death modes. They have germinate and create our structure, because fungi will cause more disease, and there are a more effective for a general measurement. Some person will not eat a properly food and contaminate contact by air, they will be caused tuberculosis, and more person will be caused tuberculosis by airy effect. So we have discussed by bacteria, second range is by mode of transmission, and third one is general measurement. We have firstly decided typhoid. Firstly, typhoid will person they have find in a typhoid will be crossed over head pain and many more effective reason. Firstly, typhoid will be person consumed in air, not a fresh air. Airy particles will be because microorganism is a very minute in size. We have not see in unaided eyes. Without microscope, we have not see any microorganism. So whose person will not drink proper boiled water, not eat properly food, they have caused typhoid. Second is cholera. In a summer season, many person find a case of a cholera. The cholera will be caused, a transmitting reason is water and air. The microorganism, their general measure in not drink a proper boiled water, not eat properly food, vaccination was not in way of proper mode. Third is tuberculosis. There is also contained in a air and a food for a causing person. They have not administered BCG vaccine and get vaccinated, and not will be a proper healthy food for your diet. Some disease will caused in by viruses. A meals, they have transmission of mode is water and air, and connect some measles caused persons. In few cases, some person will be caused in chicken pox. Also they have contained in air and contact of other person. Next is polio. Polio is a very hard disease for a human being in children's. Even 5 to 6 year children will not capable to walking and running. So polio is a very contaminated disease. They have caused in not a proper food, drinking water, not proper in a BCG injection vaccination, get vaccinated in more and more. Next is a hepatitis B. This time our government will be organize vaccinations by near about health post, and health post workers will be going on our circle, our villages, and villages person contact. They have vaccinated in hepatitis B. A government provide free of cost these vaccination. Present time, just like a floating a cancer and tuberculosis patient, in again a further time hepatitis is also like a spread like a cancer and a common cold. So my dear student, you all are discuss more learn by your book and also your teacher's lecture, and you have based upon a more vaccination challenge, their microorganism study and carefully learn. So we have discussed microorganism, their occurrence, their shapes, and many more microorganism. Student, I also provide your work in through a chapter of microorganism. First question is, what is a microorganism? How many type of microorganisms? Discuss the disease of microorganism. Discuss the disease of through a microorganism. Question. Fourth question, make some types of microorganism. Thank you.